It's really cold outside. I'm going to show you guys how to dress for caving because it's kind of important to protect yourself and make sure that you are warm and not wet and all of that good stuff. And like,
So don't T-pose.
You should just spin in circles and like scream and like put on.
Hey, ready, Jules? Ready? Set.
So you can see that I have my base layer of leggings and a sports bra, and now I'm putting on a synthetic long sleeve shirt, something that is sweat wicking, preferably not cotton. So next I'm putting on some rain pants, and that's to keep me a little bit more dry and a little bit less dirty. I've also seen people wear full-on overalls or ski pants to keep themselves warmer. Next I'm putting on some hiking boots that have a lot of traction, which will help me in not slipping and falling. Honestly, you can pretty much wear any kind of shoes you want. I made the mistake the first time I went caving of wearing just like straight up skateboarding shoes, and they were super slippery. So I would not recommend anything like that, but anything with a little bit of traction is definitely going to help. If your shoes aren't waterproof, there is a way to kind of keep your feet a little bit more dry, and it's kind of sketchy, but it kind of works, especially if you know that you're not going to be wading in knee-high water. But I mean, that's never guaranteed, so don't be upset when you do get wet. Basically, just get 2 plastic grocery shopping bags and wear them on top of your socks, and then tuck your feet into your shoes that you're gonna wear. Next, I'm putting on a light rain jacket that will keep me dry in the cave and hopefully a little bit warm. And then I'm putting on a warmer jacket over that as my top layer. Next I'm putting on a hat, but the cave I'm going to will be pretty warm, so I probably won't be wearing it, but I will bring it just in case. And then I've got a really awesome red backpack and red bottle that I'll be carrying with me. Remember to always stay hydrated, whether you're hiking, rock climbing, caving, whitewater rafting, whatever. Always carry a water bottle, and preferably a big one.
It's a look. I can tell you now, I'm not going to need this outer layer. I sweat so much whenever I'm doing something physical, so I'm probably going to shed this layer really fast. Whoa, 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 hello! Are you pooping? Definitely recommend something made of down so that you can compact it and it's really light. Don't wear like a heavy like skiing winter jacket. That'll probably be too much and you'll get really annoyed with it by the end of the trip. So something light, something that can fit into your tiny backpack. Don't bring like an 85-liter backpack with you because that's really annoying. It might prohibit you from fitting into spaces that you need to fit into.
Another really important thing is to wear gloves with rubber soles like on your palms. And you can honestly get some gardening gloves that are like this. This is to protect you and your hands as well as the cave structures, the stalactites and the stalagmites, because our oils from our fingers and our skin are not great for these structures inside the caves because they can actually stunt the growth because water and oils do not mix. And the big obvious thing is always wear a helmet and a headlamp if you want to actually see in the cave. Usually outfitters will provide these things, and sometimes even like gloves and like the backpacks and water bottles and stuff, but if you're going with an outfitter or just like a small company or something, always call ahead, make sure that those things are provided. And they honestly should be, and please don't go alone, especially if you've never done this before.
Make sure you guys like, subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.